attract, what you imagine you become, what you say you see. And I'm so looking forward to giving you this next sentence in this success formula. You guys are gonna love it. And you know what? I'm so excited because I know some of you guys are curious. But you know, at the same time, I'm not really excited because it's really nothing new. It's something you already know. It's just going to be an addition. I guess I'm just working myself for no reason, but just to work myself up. All right. So last time I was sharing with you this quotation that has been with me for the longest time, and that started beginning to make sense to me now. It is this, by Walter Russell. Success is self-bestowed. Mediocrity is self-imposed. What does this have to do with what you say you see? It has everything. Because you know what we're told in the Bible, in the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 13 and verse 15. This day, choose you this day whom you shall serve. I give you blessings. You have the choice to choose blessings. You have the choice to choose curses. The choice is yours. What are you going to choose? God has given us everything we need to make our lives masterpieces. But the choice is ours. What are you going to do with your mouth? Are you going to speak blessings, or are you going to speak negativity? Are you going to negate the good that God has already promised us? You know, that's what it means to be negative. In other words, you are denying something that is. To be negative is right. We have light in this room. And I can be negative by cutting off light. Light is good. But if I try to introduce darkness, I am being negative. What are you doing with your mouth? Are you speaking words that inspire, that encourage, that motivate, that lift you up, that make you feel good? Or are you listening to the no-can-dos, the negative people who don't believe that there is a better tomorrow? I am telling you, your this afternoon can be better than this morning. Your tomorrow can be better than today. Your next week can be better than this week. Your next one can be better than this month. Choose this day whom you shall serve. Remember the words of Walter Russell. Success is self-bestowed. Mediocrity is self-imposed. Don't wait for anybody to make you feel good or make you feel success. You are successful. You are the image and likeness of God. What more do you need? Everything God has is yours. It has already been bestowed upon you. Possess your possessions. Claim what God has already given you. Success is self-bestowed. Mediocrity is self-imposed. And as my wife is sharing with me right here, success is your birthright. Claim it. See yourself the way God sees you. Talk the way God would talk if God were talking through you. Because as a matter of fact, He is talking through you. But so many times you and I negate exactly what He's saying to us. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm just so fired up. I hope you guys are. All right. You should go see what you said. Consciously say what you want to see. And I'll talk to you soon, child.